Good evening, ladies, gentlemen, and all variations thereof, and welcome to the Wednesday stream. We had a Wednesday stream earlier, and we're having another one now, because this is the regular stream time, and earlier was the I'm not completely sure what I'm doing, but I want to play some Elion stream time. So, yeah. Welcome, everybody! We're gonna go say hi to Sliver and Saren and Katie's and Kremlik, and hello everybody. Hello.
Hello.
How are we all today? I hope we're all doing well, because I'm about to put some Greeble into our world.
Well, here's the first question, because I know Saren's done it. Have you set yours up for experimental?
Yes, it is on experimental. There's a big red banner saying experimental build over the front of my screen at the moment. So yeah, I have.
So we have an initial question, and it's whether or not we try risking the dedicated server and try
risk it.
or I just host it. Now that's the question.
No, risk it.
I don't mind, honestly. I don't mind.
I don't care either way.
The dedicated server might work better, for all we know.
If you go dedicated and it doesn't work, what downtime are you looking at before you can just move the save over to yours and host it?
I don't even have to restart the game.
Well, there you go then. Do that.
Yeah, dedicated sounds fine to me.
Last night,
While it loads up, I'm going to go get a snack.
Last night
You
we
are a
moved
snack.
live, and it just did it. So, yes, that's a good decision.
Well, I'm having an actual issue launching experimental mode at the moment, so that's fun.
Oh dear.
Well, I need to actually find the saves and shit, move the save across, and make sure I've got the secondary window set up so I can look and see if and when it explodes. Because there's an if and a when. Because it just died last night when I removed a block. I was like, oh dear.
Yeah. Also, reminder to either give us a new IP or change the password.
Can't change the IP, but I will be changing the password.
Right.
Which will be the first thing I do is change the password and see what happens.
Yes.
Because I've not tried that yet.
Explosions.
Yeah.
Fire. And death from above.
I mean,
however,
I hope not, but we'll see.
Why not start up a dedicated server? Well, we What? Anyway, right, I need to get the correct folder on here. Local updater, factory games, saved games, server. Cool.
Figured it out. It was mod manager.
Well, you still got
Mod
that.
manager trying to load
yeah, you've got any
not usable content anymore.
Yeah, mods are entirely broken right now.
Yeah. It just never occurred to me that I hadn't switched it off. Because I've switched it off on early access. I haven't switched it off on experimental. So,
right, load game. I need a save called pre-searing.
Pre-searing.
Hey, thank you for the subscription, my friend. Welcome. Oh boy.
The fact that I've changed one setting on my remote desktop thing, and I can literally copy and paste from local folders. Like it's actually great. Right, now I need to start the actual server, which requires me to go to the Satisfactory folder. No, not B. Control N. That's what I wanted. Start Satisfactory.
Ooh.
Server loading.
Ooh.
Now, I can't change the password until the server's actually started, and it's currently on the wrong save. So I've got to load in, I'm going to change the password and change the save, then change the save, because they haven't got that thing set up.
I mean, in fairness, they literally launched dedicated servers yesterday. So, like,
They did say it works. Hashtag maybe.
Yeah.
Hashtag probably boom.
Hashtag maybe.
Okay.
Hashtag don't blame us if it doesn't, because it's very early access. It's the early access of early access in the experimental mode of the early access. So
It's a don't blame us if it doesn't work. It's a don't blame us when it doesn't work.
yeah, exactly.
Okay, so I should have changed the password, I don't have a clue if it's going to have let you. Like, I know Krem was on it yesterday. If it'll just let Krem reattach, reconnect.
Hello.
Has it let you reconnect?
Hello.
Join succeeded. Okay. Well, that's annoying. Okay, that's something they're going to have to change.
It's a question of where I spawn again. That's going to be.
Oh no, it's now going to entirely get fucked because I'm about to press the load button on the actual correct save.
Oh dear.
All right. So what I miss?
Yay.
We don't know yet.
Excellent.
You missed the dedicated servers exploding and me calling you a snack. That was pretty much it.
You calling me a what?
Well, you said you were going to go get a snack, and I didn't really think about what I was saying, so I just sort of said, "But you are a snack."
Oh my.
It's true, he did.
Oh my.
It turned out.
Am I wrong?
The server straight up just.
I mean,
crashed.
I'm pretty sure Lady Saren would agree with you.
Exactly. I'm not wrong. Look. It's not gay to call your straight friends snacks. Except that in my case, it is very gay.
It's a fucking compliment.
I mean,
Exactly.
I mean,
I
Lucian's
have
finding...
I've heard plenty of gay men say the phrase "it is not gay to" and then insert here. And obviously, I've just realised the wording I used there. Don't call me out on that. Insert phrase here.
Insert.
Just realised what I said as soon as I said it.
I'll insert something, all right, Katie's.
It's definitely not gay to insert. Wait,
That needs to be a fucking t-shirt.
I mean, look, straight guys
That needs to
get
be a
pegged
fucking
all the
t-shirt.
time, you know?
my favourite one was he came my very very gay stepbrother came back from a night out and explained to me the shenanigans he'd got up to. I don't know why he thought I was interested. I wasn't. But he said it's not gay for his best friend's boyfriend to get a blowjob from him because he can just close his eyes. And you've got to admire that level of logic.
There is a very
Drop the t-shirt idea in private
big
room, and I
leap
might think about it.
in like it's very gay. I'm not sure if it would be if it counts as cheating.
Oh, yeah. Oh, definitely.
Like, I mean, no, that's the thing. That's the thing. If your best friend's boyfriend agrees with your best friend about getting a blowjob from you, then technically it's not cheating because it has been discussed and it is a mutually consenting.
He was not there on the night out. She did not know it happened, and as far as I'm aware, nobody told her it was cheating.
Okay, then yes, in that case it's definitely cheating.
In the entire conversation, that bit wasn't up for debate.
That's
It was whether it makes it gay or not.
Also, hey Karuma, welcome to the stream. We are talking about
See if that
homosexual shenanigans. Is
I know
the
Krem
easiest
used
way
be
to
able
explain it.
reconnect, but, you know,
You need the password again.
oh, it's asking you for the password again.
It says screen for the new password. Yes.
Okay, so we have to restart the server. There you go. There's host and password for you, and I need to find Kremlit to.
And I'm guessing we're going to need the session ID as well.
Nope, doesn't do your session ID.
No?
Yeah.
Wait,
Oh, can I use
how do we join
good
that?
to know that she was standing a fucking minute behind me. I mean,
Do we use the server manager?
Yeah, you join by server manager.
Oh, I see.
Yes, it's interesting and weird.
Okay.
Like how when I click join, it popped up with a message saying you are not connected to this server, which,
And then
to be
it did
fair,
it.
at the time was accurate, and then it connected and the message went away. So yeah, no, that's fine.
What port are we using?
It's the default one, so you can leave it empty.
Default one, okay.
It's 157777. No, people, you will not be able to guess the password. It's none of my usual ones.
And these usual ones are usually
got the usual
50
ones?
characters.
Interesting. By stint of it being a new game, all NPCs have respawned. There's a doggo chasing me.
Yay!
I'll go.
I can't join off of Kremlik for some
Oh,
reason.
network
You won't be
error.
able to.
You won't be able to.
Network
Okay.
error?
No, I got a network error when it was trying to grab the server.
Try again.
Or is that just a case of it's not up yet?
There it
It's
is.
Oh.
up, it's up, I'm in.
It's up. I saw an explosion in the connection, but I don't know what it was.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
It
It
may
might
not
be
be a
to-
respawn of mobs, it may just be that I'm near a mob because I was out and about exploring, wasn't I?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can't connect directly to people in this version. You have to go to server.
Yeah, you literally
Oh.
won't be able to join off people in the friends list. So don't bother trying. It's not session. This is not a session-based system anymore. It is password-based. So, yeah.
Ooh, shiny.
Well,
Oh,
let's see how
It's
this
also
Go to
goes.
session ID.
Like, in fairness to Coffee Stain, right? Even when they put out something that is experimental and extremely untested, it's usually pretty good. So
Oh, yeah.
I have hope.
Sliver, I can't. Hang on, where do I go to join? Do I session ID?
Server.
My
server
hope
manager.
was revoked. The
Oh,
game
Server
crashed.
manager.
My hope was revoked. The game crashed.
Server's still running.
I had an Unreal Engine process crashing.
Okay.
Yeah,
Interesting.
Unreal process has crashed. UE4 factory game.
Verify through Epic?
They're on
It's taking
Steam.
about 5 minutes.
I'm on
That's a
Steam.
good point, yeah.
Yeah.
Do it verify through Steam then. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I'll restart it and then I'll try again and we'll see how it goes. But-
The thing is, it won't be fixed by us being on localhost because they changed the engine. So
Yeah, there's there is major engine changes as well. The local hosting will change how we connect, so will be more stable than
Yeah.
the dedicated, but we're trying dedicated because it does mean I get as good as actually really good performance.
Yeah.
I could feel I don't feel the frame drop with you guys being away from here.
Yeah, and it also gets rid of the problem that I'm having on my save where my upload is absolutely capped because it's a dedicated server on a different machine as well.
Yeah, this server has zero fucks to give about upload and download. As tested yesterday, I did a speed test on the big server. 2.9 gig download, 1.9 gig upload. It doesn't give a fuck. Hence why we use a dedicated server for Atlas. It's running on one of the Atlas. In fact, it's running on the same as the current Atlas servers.
Oh, I hear
Oh.
noise. I hear
Holy
and
buggies.
the game crashed again. I heard sounds and then the game crashed. So
Definite input lag.
I'm gonna run a file verification and we'll see what that
Someone's
does.
firing rebar and it's going not supported.
Oh, well, it's killing things, so
yeah.
I don't
Let's
know
get
how
that
unsupported it can possibly be.
They mainly have just changed the rebarbs as well.
Yeah, this is a... Wait a minute, what is it?
Verifying integrity of game files.
I'm unsure. I don't know what it's actually doing, but, you know.
Kind of pissed with Star Trek Online. One of the early quests was bugged for the science officer. I haven't played Star Trek Online in about 5 years, so I'm afraid I can't help you there, Sean.
Yeah, the new play experiences above my head has been changed that I last played as well. So
All right. Okay, I'm at the shopping mall.
Cool.
But wait, did you ever find that what the bug was with who was it last night who just kept on having new numbers?
Oh, on Alien? I don't
Aliens,
know.
yeah.
We never figured out what was wrong. He just, every time he reconnected, he got a new number. Every time we just incremented by one. So far, we've got a Saarinen game and a Kremlikin game.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, there is another reason why we're not going to be sharing sharing any login details with anybody we do not absolutely 100% trust. There is no kick or ban functionality at all.
Yeah, that's a problem.
I cannot kick people out at the moment. But I can reach to my left and kill the server. So
Yeah.
like, I've got the ultimate no, you're not allowed in anymore button.
It's not just a fuck you, it's a fuck you and everybody else around you.
It's the nuclear option, literally.
Files verified. Nothing
there is
out of the ordinary.
There is
Gonna
a
try
manage
connecting-
players, or you cannot say yourself as the admin.
I've got
Clever.
managed session. Oh, maybe there is. Oh, maybe it is working. I never actually looked at that.
I can't click on anybody to kick them. Sorry, Siren, I used you as a test.
You bastard.
I do get a button that says kick.
Sean
I
says,
get one that mine's grayed out.
Sean says he's joining now and there's nothing you can do to stop him. Apparently the now is Sean. Run!
Oh my god! So the way the sun was rising, I'm like, why is there a blood moon? Wait a minute.
Yeah, honestly, these new graphics are pretty nice.
Oh yeah,
Right?
I've been thinking of running reshade over the top. Don't think I need to now, to be honest.
No, this is real sexy. I think I need to turn my anti-aliasing up.
Yeah,
That's-
Check your settings. Make sure it's not set itself to use the new DX12 option they re-enabled. Okay, I'll look into that.
Oh, mine's
That'll be why our
automatic.
graphics look nicer then.
Yeah.
so shiny.
No, I'm
It
on
might
DX11.
be that my
DX11
CPU is
is
going, "Ah, what is all this?" and trying to run away.
And since we're now on the fast server, the hub switching in my
Nope, and yep, there it goes.
So,
Crashed
yeah.
again.
Yeah, Sean, this is an Explorer buggy.
Yeah,
Which is
you fuck
literally
up.
as I'm pulling back into my station. Come on, roll in! Oh yeah, baby, that's what we like.
Tuck and roll.
Out of fuel as I pulled into the depot. Fucking yes.
Jeez.
Hey, I put the game again. Woo!
I do have more fuel. It's not like I couldn't have just gone in further, but honestly, to be fair, it is parked in the wrong place as well.
No, I can't get through that. Okay.
Where's the shopping mall's tube gone to?
Which one? Also,
I mean,
we need to. Actually, the first thing we need to buy are the little rectangular signs. Because oh my fucking god, do we need the signs in right now?
Can I
At
put
this
a question
point,
for
yeah.
road markings as well, please?
Yeah, but they're expensive. They're actually I don't think they're that expensive, but I don't know how many points we've got. We basically need to feed a fuck ton of stuff into grind it into the thingies to make a load of coins. Because I really don't know.
Well, yeah, but that's the
smaller
thing,
turning circle now
Philip.
as well, which is
It wasn't working with DX11,
Pipes, don't we?
so I'm thinking maybe it'll work with DX12. Maybe.
right.
I'll just
So
take
how
this pipe.
Maybe.
how do we actually repaint stuff now then without a paint gun?
With the customizer.
Yeah, but how do you click to actually do it?
Same as building something.
So just a material. Okay, right. So first off, we need blue. And is there a button to go straight into the customizer that we've found?
It's under Q, and then it's the second tab there.
Yeah, but
And you can set things on your hotbar.
yeah, but what I'm saying is, if you press Q, go to the customizer, click a color, and then press Q again, you're back into the builder, not the
Hi,
customizer. Is
Azaracti.
there
I
a way to go
haven't seen you
straight
in a
into the customizer
while.
window?
Shake your
Welcome.
keybinds.
Shake my
Welcome, my
keybinds.
friend.
Shake your keybinds. Yes, shake your keybinds.
Take that, keybinds! Ha!
We are
Because
attempting
we know
to
that will
load
just pause
into-
any damage to you in the game,
Oh,
right?
Yeah,
nope,
yeah.
there
Yep.
it goes.
Totally.
So apparently I cannot connect to the dedicated server without the game crashing. And I have verified the files.
Can you
so-
load your own save without it crashing? Let's test that.
Yeah,
That'll narrow down the problem.
Yeah, because if it's crashing without you able to load the game at all, like I'm just seeing the crash
I will
go.
give that a go, and we shall find out.
I get a connection timed out from you.
Well, I don't think it's the server that's causing the crash. I think it's the game.
Yeah. Give me a second. I think I've narrowed down the issue. I will give you the solution in a second.
It's not going to be the
I'm
4-player thing.
loading
This
up.
is set to 16 players.
Yeah, I'm
No.
loading up a single player world, and we'll see if that loads.
I'll put it in chat now.
Okay, another customizer question. How do I customize the paint swatches?
Click the
Yep.
edit.
There's an edit button.
My world has loaded up fine.
So it's definitely server connection, not
something to do with the server connection, possibly. Yes.
Look through that. See if that would help.
Consider forcing a game to start with DX12, DX11.
Mm.
It depends. Like mine's default to DX12, DX11.
Yeah.
Mine's default to DX11 as well.
Okay.
I changed it to DX12 and tested that as well, and it didn't do anything. There is the option of Vulkan, but I worry about that one.
Yeah.
Try it. What's the worst that could happen?
Knowing Vulkan,
trucks.
well, from what I've heard,
no,
Vulkan is incredibly intensive.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to do.
So what? It crashes.
Kills
Right,
my
okay.
computer is more like it, but
I'm going to
yeah.
exit to main menu because I can leave them two actually running on the thing. I'm going to load up the game, load up the save, local hosted for me, Lucian. You can try and join me.
All right.
And see if that
I
works.
will need your session ID.
Yeah, that's fine. I can sort that out.
I'm gonna.
And then we can figure out if it's the save or the hosting method. If it's the hosting method, then we just have to pull back into here.
Yeah, I mean, that's not much of a problem at the end of the day. It is what we usually do, so.
It may be just as simple as something conflicting that could be patched out. So.
Alright, well there's... Is that really the session
Whoa.
ID? Hang on a minute. What? They've changed the session ID strings.
Ooh, right, okay, yeah. Each of the patterns for the floors costs a different amount.
Yeah. I put it in the Wednesday group so you can see if you can see that. I might be able to just invite you? No.
I'm on Steam, remember, not...
Oh, yeah, it just lists you in here.
Like, it's good enough that they actually have interaction between the two.
Well, that's because they're not using Steam or... Actually, no, they are using Unreal Epic-based multiplayer, but the Epic-based multiplayer isn't Steam locked down. Lucian has joined the game. Right, we'll wait and see if it crashes.
Initializing respawn_sequence.bat.
Was it even getting that far before?
Yes, it was.
Okay, so we'll
And
find
I'm
out
in.
when you're in.
Yep, I'm in.
Okay, looks like we're running on this on my local host then. Okay.
Yeah, it
go,
looks
guys.
like the dedicated server has a tad problems. Tad problems.
Let me just drop you to the session ID. Then there we go.
Well then.
So sorry. Thankfully, we're only like 10 minutes in. So.
In fairness, though, we did know that this might be a problem going in. So,
Yeah, which is exactly why we wanted to try it to see if it was a problem, to be fair, so...
yeah.
However, this is the first... So, if we can figure... I will... Remind me near the end, I'll pull the actual log out so we can see what happens when you try to log in, so that we can give Satisfactory some... or Coffee Stain, some nice logs. Because I've already got one log from the crash, where I got an O does not equal 0, which is true. Right, is everyone out the server?
Yes,
yeah. And I'm bouncing out everywhere
Well, I've just closed it, so have fun.
No. I'm having issues on the local save now.
Wait, what?
I'm teleporting everywhere.
It's
definitely
some...
stuttering.
Yeah.
There's definitely some lag. Because I'm trying to...
Some lag is an understatement on my end.
Let me just reduce some possible overheads that are disconnect from my
Yeah,
RTP
I'm
session.
I'm currently in a 4-second time loop.
I'm not so much in a time loop, but this dog doesn't know I exist. Oh no, maybe he does. Ah!
Yeah, there's definitely some lag going on here.
I'm gonna die here. This dog is actually gonna kill me.
Interesting. Okay, so we had everyone working on. We had all but one working on the server, and now.
Yeah,
Oh dear.
I'm currently representing the next generation here. I may have to spend 20 minutes trying to work myself out of temple.
Oh god, sudden everything just start. Okay.
I'm expecting there to be a lot of upstream.
There's definitely lag.
No, I just got a network connection explosion. What?
What?
Katie's has left the game.
Yeah, I had to because the dog was gonna kill me.
Ah!
I got an error message on my side.
I just got teleported like 50 blocks.
Yeah, it's unplayable for me now.
Oh god.
I'm stuck. I can't move. Oh, there it goes. I moved.
Oh.
Oh boy.
Are we now stuck between a rock and a hard place?
Yes.
Hang on a minute.
No, it's between a connection and an infinite loop.
Oh boy.
It's a pity because the server worked fine.
The server worked fine for everyone except for me, and now this is not working at all.
Well, it worked for all the important people.
Oh, shut up!
Okay, Lucian, I'm just going to try starting. Like, if it's being shitty at the moment, I'm just going to try starting the server again. You connect first.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll give that a
If
go.
you're the only one connected, I can see the log error goes past.
Yeah.
At least it wasn't too difficult to. Jesus Christ, I'm getting an. Did I just get shot in the face?
Not by me,
I've
I'm not-
logged out of the local host, so.
I got hit by something.
Unit connecting timeout. Yay!
Yeah, I got that while not trying to connect.
Yes.
Yeah, I got that error. What?
Yeah, I get that error
when.
when I'm just pinging the server.
I'm just sat on. I literally came back from getting a drink and had that error. I wasn't
damn
even
it, Saren.
pinging the server.
Too dark to actually see you.
I'm getting like 30-second delay, so
You managed to hit me at all. Okay, I see the join succeed for Lucian.
twice, twice.
I thought it was like a network lag of like Katie's getting hit and me taking the damage. I was like, what? Oh, spawn active failed because of collision at the spawn location. Space giraffe. What? Lucian is not a space giraffe.
No, but there's a space giraffe
I'm
where
in.
he stood.
You're in.
I think was the problem.
5.
Lucian is in.
I'm in and I'm doing sit-ups, so give me a sec.
Okay. Do we want to try the Deddy again just to see?
Yeah.
The final option is we end up back on basic,
Stable.
which is actually on stable, which fucks both Lucian and Saren for the next like half hour.
And me.
And you guess you're all on.
Oh no,
No,
sorry,
you're
no. Yeah,
No,
sorry.
no.
It's-
Anyone who's on Epic is fine. Okay, back to the Deddy. Same
Change
people.
places.
Change places.
Are we letting
Change
Lucian
places.
go first?
He's already in.
I'm already in. I'm in the dedicated server.
Are you fucking kidding me?
That's what we were testing. So I joined the dedicated server first to see if it would work, and it does. Now, for some reason. Still don't know why.
Ooh, they added in basic walls.
Yeah. They added in
see.
many things. Okay.
Yeah, I hadn't particularly seen that one. That's kind of cool.
Routing 5 out of 8
Cool.
sensors.
I entered a hypertube and my game crashed.
Oh no!
This time it was a different error. VC runtime. Exception access violation reading 0x00000000. There's a lot of zeros on there.
Just try joining back in, see if it was just a bug.
Yeah.
I'm intrigued where Lucian's body is, although I just saw him disappear.
Ironically,
Yeah, I just went into a hypertube, and that is worrying.
Ironically, I know where your body is because you just came out of the hypertube, ran at the hub, ran into it for about 4 seconds, got your coffee out, and sat down. So,
Well, I mean, okay.
I just did a thump, and then you just running at a wall. I'm trying to find where we get signs from, 'cause I can't see them in the map. I can't see them in the store.
They are in the store. I know they are because I saw them in.
Yeah, I'm loading back in. And
Mine.
see how
It might
this
be-
goes.
Oh shit! It might be we haven't got the. Also, why have we now got? We've now got 2 out here.
Hello.
Hello.
Oh,
I
because
hadn't seen
it
that one
used to
over
be
there.
5
there they go. They're
sit-ups.
under organisation.
Zarachi.
Take
It
2
used to
points.
be 5 sit-ups, and I haven't
First
changed the writing ever since I
Oh, okay.
added an extra 5 to it.
Ah.
How much do you have to pay for a pink factory? Depends on.
Nope, can't load in.
I can't place hypertubes.
I think it's a problem of how many people are on the server.
Well, let me
Well,
drop
this
out
is
and
set
see
to
if you can get back in then.
Yeah, if that's the case, I do actually have this set to allow 16 players in, and we checked this last night.
I'm out. Try getting in.
We
There.
actually had
the
5.
server-
I'm loading up the game
Yes.
again.
I cannot attach a hypertube to a hypertube on support. Like the stackable type hypertubes, I can't attach another hypertube to it.
Is it giving you an error?
This is a bad idea.
What message is popping up?
Pipe
Nope,
must
nope,
snap
nope.
to a pipe support or building connection.
Try building it the other way. Start at the connection and run back to where
did.
you wanted.
I did.
Joining game.
Like, oh, I guess I could show you on my screen if I have the right screen up. He's not working.
You know, work.
I'd come over to you, but I managed to fall off. Actually, so
No,
go down this way.
no, I don't want.
Like, it works on that
no,
one,
No.
Oh,
but
Jesus.
not on that one.
It might be a throw. It might be a carry-on
Nope.
of an issue with
Okay,
those where
no, that
sometimes
hasn't
when you
worked.
place
It's
one, you
crashed me out
can't then
again.
place another one on top of it. It thinks it doesn't exist. You have to delete it and rebuild it in a
I
slightly
have
different
deleted.
place.
I've deleted it.
It's
I
crashed
moved
me
it,
out
I moved it
again.
from there to there.
All right.
And
I'm
yeah,
gonna put it
no.
here now.
Fatal
Right?
error.
So that's a new one I put down, and I still can't connect to it.
Can you build another
Fatal
one on top of
error. File.
Can I build a what?
it? Can you build another stackable on top of it?
Oh, build a.
Null
No, we got-
SRV resource 0 bind 0 on UB layout.
Oh, hi! Look at this.
Yeah, I got nothing. This is just
Yeah, it's the engine itself. It's no issue.
It's weird that it's crashing on your end. I'm not getting.
Well, if
Yeah.
it's an engine crash, it will be his end.
Yeah, I'm getting no. All I'm getting is a you've timed that. Like, it can't talk to you error.
Weird.
Yeah, and I can
That is
stack them
strange.
80s.
Yeah, I'm just looking now. It's weird, that.
Oh, if I drop out, that'll leave while you're playing, and you put the save on the back down.
what I don't understand is it let me
Like, come-
connect fine earlier.
Yeah, that was the weird thing. You connected
Yeah.
fine, and then
Then the moment 5 people in the game, it's like crashing. So
Yeah.
easy solution is I can just go.
I'm already out of the game, so that wouldn't. There
Well,
is
no,
not
but
more people
that's
in.
the thing. I
can't-
connected to the game, and then the moment somebody else connected, I disconnected. So I got nothing. But
I
Yeah,
don't know. Like,
I mean, they
could
did
you
say
shut
that
off
we
the
might have
thing,
trouble
please?
connecting to older worlds.
Do we have to start a new world?
It's true. We could
There
just
would
start
be-
a new one from scratch.
Okay, in that
could.
case, I do have a world that was created on this server.
Okay.
Okay.
So let me just.
I wouldn't have an issue restarting, to be honest. It'd let us be a bit.
Yeah,
easier.
neither would I.
Yeah.
Want me to create
yeah,
a
I'd
new,
be
new,
fine
new,
with
new?
creating
Or
a new
what?
world.
Yeah, go brand spanking.
Go brand spanking new. Yeah, why not?
Okay,
No,
fine.
it's no point in loading another one up only to have the same issue, and there's never know, is there? So
Exactly.
Absolutely brand spanking new. What session name?
new.
New.
It's the new
folly.
update pipe.
The new
Yes,
folly. Oh,
The new
no,
Nutali.
no. Call it Greeblegeddon.
Oh god, yeah, okay.
Oh, God.
Greeblegeddon. Okay, grassy fields, rocky desert, northern forest, or dune desert.
Where did we start last time?
Well,
we did.
Let's go to Dune
Forest is
Let's
the one
do
that
Dune
got the new
So-
update, didn't we?
and Dune Desert as well. So one of those two would be cool.
Let's go for Northern Forest. We started in the desert last time, so we might as well go.
No, we
for
didn't
somewhere.
start in the desert. We started in rocky desert, not dune desert.
Okay, but we still started in a desert.
Yeah.
Let's go with the forest this time. Why not?
Northern forest. Join the server once it's done loading, create game, and then it just kicks me out.
The bee goes to space! Bye, bee!
What?
Oh, well, the server crashed.
Oh dear.
Wait, which server crashed? The new one or the old one?
It doesn't matter.
Yeah.
It's the same server.
Yes.
Yes. The Sasma
Oh.
flow. Right. Okay. Now it's just
Well
going to
then.
go derp and explode. But now it's going to actually create it. So it has a little bit of a problem. Invalid authentication token. That's funny.
Yeah, I got that just now.
Be a different password, won't it?
Nope. Oh, it's idle. Ooh. Oh, I think. Ooh. I think it just had an entire moment because we had people connected. Okay. So,
Hold on, does the server go idle if no one's connected to it?
That's the setting I've got. Yes.
So we could leave this server running and we could
I
pop
will
in as we
not-
want to do shit.
I will not be leaving this server running though. Because it's using up. Like if this was my own server, yes, I would. But I've looked up a server that would be about right. It's about 30 quid a month. Would run this. If we wanted our own dedicated one.
Well, if my gamble in Bitcoin goes well, I'll pay for it. If anybody does Bitcoin, I just bought about 600,000 Shiba Inu shares.
Hello, it's thinking.
And so far, I've made a $20 profit.
Oh god. Well, I'm in. Okay, everyone else try and connect before I do anything.
Oh my god.
What?
One of those multiverses. It was rumored it exists.
What
What
multiverse?
exists?
One of those multiverses. It's one of those variations of Smash Brothers.
Yeah. It's Ultra Instinct Shaggy versus Scorpion from Mortal Kombat.
Yes.
What?
And the roster has.
It's Smash Bros using Warner Brothers characters. If you can name
Yes.
5 Warner Brothers franchises, I'd be surprised.
As soon as you log in, move. People
Oh,
are
God.
spawning
Yeah.
at the same point.
The
Yeah.
current roster is Steven
Assassins.
Universe, Batman, Harley Quinn, Morty, Bugs Bunny,
Oh, I
Tom
like
and
this
Jerry,
place.
Shaggy, Superman, Wonder Woman, and Gandalf.
If they don't add in the main person from Lord of the Rings, that'd be, the Warner Brothers games and the Assassin's Creed dudes, that'd be kind of Hubie, isn't it? I mean,
Okay, who's not in? Kremlik
I'm-
has not
I'm in.
appeared yet.
Yeah, I
Right.
haven't joined
We
because I've
can
got a stream to watch
color
in a
code our
second.
holograms now. Remember that.
we can. That is true. I would like to play with that.
Yes.
We played a little. It's client side only.
Oh, so if I change that to purple, you can't
Yeah.
see that. It's
Yeah.
purple.
It'll be everybody's will be purple on your side.
Right, I see.
Yeah, it's a client side setting.
Mhm.
From a
Forward
note.
speed.
I also
Ow!
run away.
Who just shocked me?
Nobody. You're still just stood there on our screen.
Yeah, someone came up and shocked me. Like,
Ow!
ow!
I'll be honest. There's no one around you.
I'm currently trying to do my character, well, visual customization. Fuck. Okay.
Yeah, no. There's nobody around you. Look, it's.
D- Okay, no. I am not imagining this. I am not imagining. The fuck? I can see you two right there. Ow!
What the fuck, man? Literally, there's no one around you at all.
I know! I can't. What the fuck is going on? Ow!
That's weird, man.
Get off!
I would like to note that at no point did I lie.
That is technically true, and I hate you for it. I also hate the fact that Saren was hinting at this the entire time by just standing on your head.
Yeah, so
Wait a minute.
I'm the one that discovered this last night. Yeah, I discovered this last night and proceeded to ride Sliver the entire night like
Hey,
a
guys.
horse.
So if
Katie's wait.
If someone else tries, if you actually stand on top of them and you try moving instead, it moves them.
Oh,
So
really?
here's a great idea.
Hands
Sliver,
off.
get back on Lucian's shoulders.
Oh no.
Let's do it!
Oh.
Kings, go! Chase him!
Yarr!
Ow.
Ah, we win. Championes. Ah.
Git.
Look, right. I was actually helping you by just explaining that of all the possible directions, there was nobody around you.
Uh-huh.
I was narrowing down your search.
Sure. Sure.
Okay then.
Right, who has the cube?
I have the cube.
You have the cube.
I'm going in search
where
of
the
limestone,
hell should
so I'm
we
going to need that
stick
early.
that?
Shall we? Let's put the cube up. Well, the cube. Let's put it up here.
No,
No,
let's
let-
not. Let's
let's-
Why
not.
not?
What you want to do
We'll wait
is
to find out.
ping. What you want to
Oh,
do
hey,
is
look, limestone.
ping iron and copper and go to that because I'm on limestone, so we can work out roughly where's the best place to build between those.
I'll find copper.
Actually,
I've just pinged iron.
there's a nice
400 meters over this way.
Copper 300 meters this north by northwest.
There's about 2 kilometer away. This is actually the. Oh my god. So this is the closest one.
Okay.
Thank you for the clip, Aegis. That was fucking hilarious. Oh shit! That's a long way down.
This is not an easy build start, is it?
No,
Well,
this
it
one of
is
the
meant
hard
to be medium hard
Yeah, yeah.
difficulty.
This is
so-
hard because of all the shit you got to dodge around.
Hmm.
Oh, actually, hang on a minute. This is a great bit for iron because I've just had to ping off 4 nodes, and also a lizard dogger.
Just so everybody's,
No!
Oh,
just so everybody else is aware, state of play for PlayStation starts in 10 minutes.
Okay.
That's why.
so
That's why I'm
What
not
starts
around
in
at the
10
moment.
minutes?
State of play for PlayStation.
yeah, the PlayStation Direct almost. Okay, well
oh,
I'm
this is
at
nice.
I'm at a sandy bit with a load of iron
Yeah.
Honestly,
and a sheer fucking cliff.
yeah. Around here feels about right. There's a nice little bit of flat land, a couple of nodes nearby.
Well, I'm here.
Yeah, I'm kind of near you.
Yeah, there's a blue power slug up there.
Yeah.
There's a nice big flat sandy bit right here,
Yeah,
and a
this
cliff
is quite
and a
nice.
thing up there. Actually, hang on a minute.
It's limestone up there.
Wow, that
But
cliff
it's weird.
is...
It's weird because it's not pinging as limestone.
It pings for
Okay.
me. Try it
Hey
again.
guys, this is the pure copper node by me.
How far
Yes.
away are you?
A little bit
Oh.
further. There's one in
there.
between us and him anyway. So
Okay,
Hang on, how do
I think
How do I,
right
how do I
here's
ping again? There we go.
hold alt left click.
200 meters. Yeah, this is actually
Yeah.
a really good spot. Sans the bees.
Okay, so let's put it down here then.
Yeah, we can,
And also remember the difference between blue and
Ah,
green today.
bloody hell. Oh, lag. Oh no. Oh,
yeah.
I worry. Oh, and
Oh.
I've crashed.
So up here, like I'm up on the ledge. Who's this?
That's me.
I
Lucian's
crashed.
down
Lucian's
Oh,
crashed
no.
already.
there. Oh
yeah,
no.
you put the hub down and it caused me to crash.
Wait, is the hub the problem?
No.
Don't think so. I think it is just a case of the visual engine for the game just not playing nice.
I mean,
This
Try
is a
turning
this is
graphics
a
down and-
this
I'm-
is
and the-
a full graphical rework from like the end. Like it's a they've updated the Unreal Engine underneath as well.
I mean, Lucian, the last time I had a problem like this with a game, I tried Vulkan and it stabilized it. So
I'll
Right.
give it a
What's the
go.
worst?
I'll give
what's
it a
the worst
go.
that can
We'll
happen?
see.
Yeah, worst that can happen is it works.
The worst
No,
that
what-
can happen is
It's entirely not the worst thing that could happen.
Also, why is there a
I'll
crate
give
over here
Vulcan
and
a go, and we'll
I died.
see how that runs.
raw quartz?
Look,
Oh, we've
blue-
actually got a block of raw quartz here.
Oh look, I see a blue slug.
Mm-hmm.
Jeez!
There's your right for throwing me up here.
Hey,
I'll
how
do
can I throw you
5.
up there?
I'll do 5.
You knocked me off the
Daza.
bridge or the cliff.
Thank you very much. 50.
Farmer's a bitch.
Okay, we need to get up to the concrete.
Up to
I
me.
guess.
You gotta get up to me.
Are you sure? There looks like to be a one down there.
But that's not pure. I don't know if it is. Let me see.
Don't hit
it's
me,
like
don't
that.
hit me, don't hit me. Fuck.
It is pure. Look at that. Never mind.
Is it
The
pure?
one above is the one above is also pure. So
Good. I've just put one of the basic ones down because I've got 4 of them.
3.
So I'm going to try and get one up to the concrete as well
4,
because I've actually got concrete on me.
5.
Okay, right. Most of the bees have been dealt with.
Awesome.
Oh, puppies.
I tried loading in with Vulcan. It loaded in faster and it crashed faster.
Well, that's a
That's 100% improvement.
Yeah.
problem.
Minimize all graphic settings and try running in windowed mode. I know it sounds silly, but
I
just
always
sometimes-
run in windowed mode.
Well, try running full screen then.
Ugh, fine.
I know, I'm sorry.
I've been traipsing around the Satisfactory content, and yes, the issue has been cropping up in several places, so it's not just you, Lucian. So that's a good sign. That means if it isn't fixed tonight, it will be fixed next time.
Well, fingers crossed, anyway. Options, video settings.
Need to get up to the concrete. How do I get up to the concrete?
No.
With a conveyor.
And apparently, people are really mapped
I
out
found
the
some
new
more bees.
cave.
X, 11. View distance near. Use experimental conveyor item rendering.
maybe.
That sounds perfect.
Off.
Not. Oh yeah, no, off. Fuck yeah. That's a fair point. Is that actually a setting on? Oh, that might be that might be in Vulcan, or is that?
No, that has
no,
been
that's-
a setting since for a long time. That's always been in there.
Yeah, that's always there.
I think Cade is having fun with bees.
Okay, I've turned some quality settings down. We'll see how this handles it.
One of the bees is attacking Lucian while he's offline. made it easier to kill it.
before it kills me.
Oh, it's already dead, don't worry.
Okay.
Technically, you can actually kill a player that's offline. You have to do a lot more damage, I think.
I am loading in. Let's see how this
Cool.
goes.
Right then. So, let's.
And
get
I
ourselves-
crashed. Different crash this time. I got an exception
join
access
request.
violation.
Buildable player change is awake is true. That's not it. I'm just looking through the log quickly.
Well, this isn't good.
Not a
Not
good start.
ideal, no.
Yeah, I don't know quite what to do now because like we can't play on my local hosted one either on this.
Yeah,
'Cause it's
it would have to be local on early access or.
Yeah, local version 4,
Hmm.
which means that you and Saren have to downgrade.
Yeah.
It's really weird actually that it's crashing. Like
I'm not sure what the issue could be, honestly.
yeah, there's no there are crash logs for Satisfactory in the player thing. I'm so tempted to push you off the edge, Kate. I'm not gonna lie.
Do it. You did it to me.
Yeah, I'll be honest, I did do it, sorry.
That's fair.
Do it.
Right, okay, well, I've got thing for a I can't remember how much you end up with. You end up with enough for like 4. In terms of what materials I end up with.
Oh, if all else fails, you can always play stick fight.
Play stick fight, yeah, that's true. Missed opportunity right there. Yeah, I know. I kind of regret now. Regret not doing it now.
What is hierarchical Z buffer occlusion?
How it renders things on the Z-axis, essentially.
But that's Z-axis for video, not Z-axis on XYZ. That's Z-axis as in how it determines what's further away from the camera.
Yeah.
Which is
I get it.
your UI is actually closer than anything else. Do we have any bio? We do actually have some biofuel. About it.
We're in a forest.
Yeah. I've also got a load of alien carapace, so. Which we can't do because we haven't got that unlocked. That's slightly hilarious. Oh god, flower petals. Fuck it, we'll just run out of flower petals.
We don't need them for paint anymore. Oh god, I fell to my death. Goodbye, cruel world.
We do actually need them for paint.
What?
Oh, and you can burn them. 12 a minute. Okay.
You can burn them, but you can't use them for paint anymore.
Yeah, you can. Paint's still in the game.
Yeah, but you can't use the paint.
Yeah, you can. How do you think you paint the signs on the floor?
It doesn't require... Does it still require paint canisters?
It requires paint canisters, yeah.
Well, that's kind of silly.
Yeah, it happens. See if whatever Lucian manages to fix gets him in, but I don't know. You know what? From this quick start, straight in, you can actually do a lazy bastard challenge.
A lazy
I know it sounds a bit bizarre, Lucian, but have you updated your graphics drivers recently?
That'll kill his stream.
Yeah, but
it might be the fix he needs.
Yeah, because all he's seeing is a blue location.
I
right
updated them like last week, but
okay. No, that should
there
be
is an update. Oh,
no!
I've had an update. I've got an update pending on mine as well, but it's not crashed on me. But
That'll do it.
Okay, the update is giving me 2 minutes, so we'll be right back, guys. I'll let you guys listen to these idiots.
Yay! I got an audience.
Yay! Wait, what?
30 seconds.
Evening
until this
Nocturne, how you
looping
doing?
music stops happening. Yay!
I mean, I'll still be here, but yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna
With the-
let my thing update.
Yeah, for the past 10 minutes, I've been listening to the 15-second loop of music from Sony. I think it's getting slightly insane.
Right. Let's get some shit going.
Was it 3? No.
Due to save loading crashes. What? New update, it rolled back the last patch. Wait, what?
Wait, what? What?
What do you want about Firebird?
Update to what, first of all?
Yeah, which game are you talking about? The one we were screaming about earlier, or a different one?
Due to save loading crashes. I think experimental. He's talking about Satisfactory.
Right, well I'm on 170209. Is there actually rolled it back from that number to a different number? Because if so, I'm going to have to update the server and everything else, and we'll find out if that's broken.
Thanks for the follow, Lord Freedom.
Let me have a look at their actual server.
Yeah, because I'm on the same 170209.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, if Lucian's exited the game to update his graphics drivers, when he comes back in, he should be on the new version. Unless it's auto-update disabled, of course.
Okay.
0426. Oh, this patch has been temporarily rolled back due to a. Hang on a minute. They put a fix out for something, and then they've put.
But they've
Yeah,
got a
so
fix
one
now that's
second,
causing a
0426.
load crash fail.
Oh
which
no, yeah,
then
they've rolled.
back.
They haven't. So we're on the right version. Yeah, but Firebird. Look at the version numbers. So that's version 170426 that they've rolled back, not the version we're currently running.
So what version have they rolled back to?
170209.
That's the one
Yeah,
we're on.
it's 426 that was broken.
Right.
You'd be blind. Yeah, Firebird. We're in playing the game. Like, I know this version is not the one that's broken. This is the one we were using last night. What did they fix? Fix an issue where the hub would spam sounds during tutorial phase. Fix press underscore to dot messages. Fix crash related to conveyor items. Potential fix for a sign related crash. Fix being unable to close the locomotive menu with V. Fix grass being missing from Rocky Desert. Fix some shader bugs in the Awesome Sync. Fix building status indicator lights not working. And rolled back latest EOS plugin to the previous versions should solve all sorts of messages people are seeing when starting up the game. Shouldn't create any new issues, TM. I think they may have had issues.
A little bit.
So. Causing me to nearly have a heart attack. Yeah, a little bit. A little bit.
So Sony's first offering, as is tradition with them, is to out to get another Battle Royale. So in this 20 minute state to play, we have another Battle Royale on the Sony platform.
Yay.
Is that now 9, if I'm counting? 9 active Battle Royales exclusive to them.
Have a concrete one.
What?
So I've just... Because I've actually got some components for stuff, I'm actually able to build some very minor stuff, so I'm just running around and quickly building the stuff I've got the ability to make. Which if I take a minor Mark 1 and shove it...
Yars.
Shove it your arse, what?
You heard me? I didn't stutter.
What?
Wait, what? There we go. Turns out in the game's coding they added too much weight in the liquid for fluid trains to carry and nerfed power and trains sweating more engines does nothing anymore. Oops! Oh, fix for trains with carts containing fluid not being able to go up hills. Oh dear. Right, okay, yeah, they could...
Oh, right. That would be a problem.
That's a
What?
slight problem. That explains why they've... That's the problem they've got at the moment.
All the you load a save and every single one of your fluid pumps just detonates. Nope, can't handle it.
no.
Kaboom. Yeah, thankfully that stuff just doesn't work instead of entirely imploding.
Oh no. There's an update for bug snacks.
But right.
It's a new song.
Why are you idle?
You sound like my parents.
What?
He said, "Why are you idle?"
Okay. Right. If we can automate it, we automate it. Also, a lot of misspelled arguments in server coding. True is misspelled chilleroo and false is misspelled flals. Wait, what?
That might, if they're all like that, that might be intentional to stop people finding them using Control F, which I know is silly, but it genuinely might be.